types of... How do you know which one is right for you? Ah, they're all... Wow. I call it a pleated filter and it's not. Less porous. So how do you know which filter is right for you?
What you do with your hands there?
Half-ass point. Check out all these filters. Range from different qualities to different types of construction. Woo! And keeps your energy costs down. The filter got stuck.
Yeah, I know.
Filters, different ones that are out there. You can't see any of this.
No.
Whoa.
Don't do whatever you're doing with your hands.
Air 213 filter. It is This is a fiberglass filter.
No. It's not a fiber.
No, it's not. I don't know. That just sounds weird.
It does sound weird.
Yeah. So now you know. That was perfect. Now let's see if I can do it again
Yeah.
with the acting.